Okay, so let's have a look at how you add your logo to the paperwork that comes out of Get Booked Up, the Forever Free edition and the Professional Plus edition. The logo is a fixed size and a fixed location on the standard built-in reports and paperwork that's generated, and the aspect ratio of the image is 2:1. So that means that it's, for instance, 5 centimeters wide by 2.5 centimeters deep. Now you don't need to worry about that, because what we can do is it's possible to resize or create an image that's that correct size from your logo, whatever size it is. So don't be daunted by that, because this is a service that we'll provide for you. We'll just do this free of charge. If you send us your logo in a good quality image, not a web image, but if you send us it in JPEG, PNG, GIF file, something like that, and I'll put the details on the screen of the formats that we can accept. If you email that, and the email address will be on there, I'll recreate the image in the size that it needs to be, so that you can add it into the software and your image and logo will appear on the paperwork. Now let me just give you an example of what that actually means. If I just bring on my Photoshop and bring on an image, we've got an image there that's obviously approximately 1 by 1, so it's approximately square. The image within Get Booked Up in the Forever Free and Professional Plus editions needs to be an aspect ratio of about, well, it needs to be 2:1. So that's the image that I've just brought on the screen here. That'll be 2:1. Now, if you're familiar with this sort of thing, you'll be able to do this yourself. If not, I'll do this for you, as I say, if you email me your logo. And I'll quickly show you what I'll do with the image. So what I'm going to do, all I'll do is I'll pick up your image. I'm going to copy that image and paste the image into here. Then what I'll do is I'm going to resize the image by transforming the scale on the image, and I'll just stretch your logo so that it meets the 2:1 aspect ratio. And if it doesn't fit the 2:1 exactly, if we leave the background transparent like this is a transparent background, when this prints out, your logo will appear perfectly sized. So as I say, the details will be on the screen as to the format that you can send your logo in, and the email that you need to send it to, and we usually get that turned around within sort of 24 hours to get that in. Now, when I send you the file back, it'll be called My Space Logo, and it'll be in JPEG format. To make sure it appears in your system, you need to save it into the Pictures folder. So I'll show you where the Pictures folder is. If I bring that on there, what you'll find is that on your computer, if you go into Windows Explorer, if you go to My Computer, look on the C drive, you'll find a folder that's called Get Booked Up. Within that folder there'll be two other folders, one called Data and one called Program. If you go into the Data program, there'll be a folder in there called Picture. If you double click the Picture folder, that's where you need to save the image that we send you back. So that's my space logo.jpg, saved in the Picture folder, which is in the Data folder, in the Get Booked Up folder, which is on the C drive of your computer with the default installation location. So that's how easy it is to add your logo. If you have any queries, give us a call. Watch the video again, and as I say, I'll put the details on the screen again now for the format that we'll accept and the email address you need to send it